Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a thumbnail in Canva using templates quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Canva and log into your account. Here you can go to the search bar and type a YouTube thumbnail. You can use the templates, it's free. Here you'll see many ready-to-made templates. Browse through them and choose the one that you like. And after selecting a template, you can customize it. You can change the text, images, colors, and fonts to match your video topic. You can also upload your own images by clicking Upload section and dragging down into the design. Once you're done editing, click the share button in the top right and select download and choose PNG for the best quality. And that's it. You now have a professional YouTube thumbnail made in Canva templates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.